Okay, so in this video, you will learn on how you will subtract integers. So, we have to follow these two simple steps on how we subtract integers. So let's have the first one, wherein we have to follow the KCC method, okay? So this KCC method refers to K, keep the sign of the minuend, C, change the sign of the subtraction into addition sign, another C, change the sign of the subtrahend. And then, we will follow the rules on how we add integers, okay? So let's have example number 1. So, -5 minus 4 or positive 4. So first rule, we follow the KCC method. So we have, again, copying the given -5 minus positive 4. So for the K, for the keep change method, we have K, keep the sign of the minuend. So of our minuend here is -5, so we will keep it as -5. Then C, change the sign of the operation. From subtraction sign, we will change it into addition sign. Then C, change the sign of the subtrahend. So our subtrahend here is positive 4. So we will change it into -4. The second rule is we will follow the rules on how we add integers. So as you can see, from the new expression that we are adding integers with like sign. Okay, so based from the sum that we have, it says the same sign, add and keep. So 5 plus 4 will give us 9. So copying their common sign, that is -9. So therefore, -5 minus positive 4 is equal to -9. Let's have example number 2. So 1 minus -3. So in this part, again, we will follow the KCC method. So we have 1 minus -3. K, keep the sign of the minuend so that you will keep it as positive 1. C, change the operation to addition. So from subtraction sign, we will make it now to or into addition sign. Then C, change the sign of the subtrahend. So we have here -3 magiging +3. Okay? So second rule, we will follow on how we add integers. So 1 plus 3, or as you can see, we have here like sign. Pareho po ng sign, pareho po sila na positive. So same sign, we would simply add and keep. So 1 plus 3 will give us 4. What is their common sign? Positive. So therefore, 1 minus -3 is equal to +4. Next example, number 3, we have 2 minus 5. Okay, following the KCC method. Okay, keep the sign of the minuend. So keep it as positive 2. C, change the sign of the operation into addition. So from minus sign, magiging plus sign. Then change the sign of the subtrahend from positive 5, magiging -5. Second rule is that we will follow the rules on how we add integers. So as you can see, we are adding here integer with unlike sign. Okay, so kapag po magkaiba ng sign, again, we will subtract and then copy the sign of the bigger number. So therefore, 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Now, what is the sign of the bigger number between 5 and 2? So that is clearly that we have here a sign of negative, since 5 is greater than or bigger than 2. So therefore, 2 minus 5 is equal to -3. Okay? Next, as example, we have 10 minus 5, or positive 10 minus positive 5. So following the KCC method, K, keep the sign of the minuend, so keep it as positive 10. C, change the operation to addition. C, change the sign of the subtrahend. So from positive 5, this will now become -5. Okay. Second rule is we will follow the rules on how we add integers. Okay. So as you can see, we are adding here different sign or unlike sign. If that's so, we have to just simply subtract the two integers and we will copy the sign of the bigger number. So 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Now, what is the sign between the larger number between 10 and 5? So we have here positive. So therefore, positive 10 minus positive 5 is equal to positive 5. So that is on how we subtract integers. So I hope that you learn how to subtract integers following these two simple rules. Again, first one, we will follow the KCC method. So when we say KCC, that simply refers to keep, change, change. Okay? Then the second one, or the last rule, is we will follow the rule on how we add integers. So that is the simple way on how we subtract integers. So thank you for listening, and I hope that you learn how to subtract integers.